So let's do a recap of the project and let's talk a little bit about usability. So I start with one panel. It's marine snap to the side. I have my magnetic doorway so I can go in and out. Curtain goes around. I have a marine snap here. I have elastic cord. I have a curve track, and remember, the purpose of this curve track is so that I can get this curtain all the way around that curve and gather it in that far corner. So my first panel, and this is my second panel that just keeps on going, keeps on going, keeps on going. Around this elastic cord, this is the right angle method. I go all the way over to here, and what I've added is a stucco strip. Remember, a stucco strip is just a mini panel. I snap one edge of the stucco strip to the wall. The other side is rigged with a magnetic connection. So when it comes time to open it, I don't have to unsnap anything. And when I go to close it, I can do that out of reach. I don't have to get on a ladder and do anything. So I'm going to draw my curtain to the side here. Remember, I have a marine snap down here, so I'm going to unsnap it. Pull my curtain to the side. We provided a tie-up strap. We'll tie this curtain in the corner, like this. This fella here will just tie back, or we'll give you a tie back, and hold this back. Again, when we want to close the curtain, make our way around our curve. Back to our stucco strip. I'm already snapped. I'll re-snap this. And I'll seal my magnetic door. And I'm in business. Okay, so let's see if the dog knows how to use it. Martin, come here, buddy. Come on. Look at that, close right back up again. I love it.